Hello friends, Jai Shri Krishna. Again I'm back with a small video of candles. Again we are dispatching another order for all my clients who love our candles from Sri Bhavani. You can see the various candles. This is beautiful couple candle. Couple candles are used for relationship healing, negativity removal, money, finances. If the couples are together into any business, you used a green color couple candle. If there is a negativity supporting them or some hexes are there or any other issues they are facing, then the couple should light a black color couple candle on Saturdays. If they are together in business and they want prosperity coming into their business, they should light a green color couple candle along with a green candle and owl candle to invite prosperity in their life. Again, a pink color couple candle is used when they feel they want a bonding in their relationship. Pink color represents Venus. If they want luxuries in their life, if they want love and strengthening and bonding in their life, then along with the pink color couple candle, they can keep a rose quartz crystal